This is a Stern Austin Powers 2001 pinball machine, and at the top, the custom topper I just put together, and if you're interested, I'll show you how I did it. Come on in. So here's a closer look at this rescue from the burn pile future Austin Powers pinball machine topper. You can see, still got all the roughness of the wedges that were, the blocks that were holding the cabinet together, the ground strap. I think I can make something of this. It also, from the same machine, came with this piece of, what is it, an angle bracket with some holes in it. What I plan on doing is on top of the machine, I'll put the LED strip that's gonna illuminate this topper here. I'm gonna put this like that with the lighting, and so you can't see the lighting from dead on because it'll be obscured from this little angle, and it should yet illuminate the Austin Powers International Man of Mystery. Phase one is complete. We've got the backside cleaned off. No blocks here on either side. The ground braid is removed. And so now we'll just clean up these ugly ends here. You can see they'll need some sanding. As well as, let's see, look at that. Freebie ground braid. I got about 2 feet here of decent ground braid. I can use it in another project. So with 120 grit, a few minutes on both sides. Nice and clean. I am gonna paint this edge on both sides black. Don't worry about the top or the back side. I'll clean this up and I'll prep some screws to fill these holes. Hello there! Hey! Coin box full of parts left over from parting out this game, and I did come across 3 of the original carriage bolts. They will go in these holes after I paint them and make them all fancy-fied. And yeah, let's get back to this. So here's the product that I'm going to use for the topper lighting. This is the front of the box, and here's another box, brand new. And that's his specifications: 12 volts DC, 24 watts, and it's 5 meters long. You can see from previous jobs, I've done a Tron arcade control panel. Use 40 inches there, and then Austin Powers, I used 16 inches, and that was what measured out to be the correct distance. So I think that's what I like. I think we're ready to mount it up, but we'll take a quick look before we go. This is the angle bracket ready to go. Wires have been soldered to the strip, and then they got locked down with this hot glue. So if this gets tugged on for any reason, it's gonna be more durable. It should not be an issue down the road. And here's how I achieved the yellow, is I have the 4 pads there, the plus, the green, the red, and the blue. I ignored the blue, but I bridged the green and the red together for 1 wire, and then I connected the second wire to the plus, and that gave me my yellow. So just a quick look at what we're gonna mount the topper and the lighting with is this 1-inch black adhesive fastener. It's hook and loop, 5 yards. That's what the product looks like in there. I'll probably end up using only about 4 inches of each to mount it up there, and should be nice. So this is just a look at the adhesive fastener, the end, the middle, and the end. And then on the light, I just grabbed the 2 ends there. And once we figure out exactly where it goes on the game, we'll peel off the little protective plastic, stick her down, and then at that point, we move to getting power to the light. And then we enjoy. Grabbing 12-volt power was super easy to get that illuminated up there. I brought the wires in through this vent back here, across, and I already had this mod, this 12-volt buck converter. If you're not familiar with it, you can go back and look at one of my past videos. It was the one where I shopped out this Austin Powers, and it kind of explains on how I
found 12 volts, and all I did was just solder it into the same connector that illuminates the inside of the back box.